So summer season is already over. So if you're struggling with dry skin and uneven skin tone, may i-recommend kong soap that work for me na nagbalik talaga ng kulay ko. So I really love going to the beach, kaya essential talaga tong soap na to since hindi bagay sa akin ng tan. So this is the Irashi Whitening Whip Soap. So this has snail extract and goat's milk na nakaka-help to lighten our skin and nakaka-help to moisturize our skin and hydrate the skin. So, very essential talaga to after your beach trip talaga. So, unlike mga other whitening soaps na natry ko, ito, wala siyang hapte feeling, hindi siya nagbabalat. Actually, sobrang moisturizing and hydrating na. Yun yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya. So, after 2 weeks of consistently using this soap, napansin ko na bumalik na talaga yung color ko sa original color na, which I love kasi I really love my original skin tone, and mas nadagdagan niya yung glow and mas naging healthy looking yung skin ko. I definitely recommend this soap if you're struggling with dry skin and uneven skin tone. Super mura lang niya and super worth it gamitin.